Hello folks, today we're going to talk about the most interesting guitar channels on YouTube. If you play guitar, then you probably admire the work of others on YouTube who do. But did you know there's a lot to appreciate on other guitar channels? Big or small, all these people from different channels are so full of talent. Join me in exploring a selection of channels that work incredibly hard to create unique and interesting content for the world to enjoy. Here are the most interesting guitar channels on YouTube. These channels were not arranged in any order, so this is just for pure entertainment. Starting with Guns and Guitars. Guns and Guitars is an awesome channel with over 230,000 subscribers. His concept of building guitars is being frugal on the price, but great on the output. He emphasizes it's not all about the price of your gear. This is a great channel that we highly recommend. Link is in the description. Daryl Braun Guitar. Daryl is an awesome YouTuber with close to 790,000 subscribers, and his channel is still continuing to grow. With awesome content about guitars, you are surely going to binge on his videos. Link to Daryl's channel is in the description. Crimson Custom Guitars. Crimson Custom Guitars is another must-follow channel that's very popular in the YouTube guitar scene. They are very well known for the GGBO, or the Great Guitar Build-Off. They organize this contest where participants will have to show their amazing DIY guitars and sold them for charity. Link is in the description. Addicted to Gear. Guitar Kit World has worked with Addicted to Gear many times in the past, and we can attest to how awesome of a channel this is. He talks about anything related to guitars and entertains viewers with his great playing. Way to go, Tony. Keep up the good work. Brad Ango. Brad's channel is another one renowned for its great guitar entry in the GGBO, or the Great Guitar Build-Off. This channel has one of the most informational contents about guitars on YouTube. Definitely a must follow. Link is in the description. The Bald Shredder. Oh man, this guy has got to be my favorite. Richard, the Bald Shredder, is a Satriani clone. His videos are super entertaining. His guitar reviews are great and detailed. His shreds are face-melting. If you're down for some fun guitar videos, check this channel out. Paul Miro Junk Pile Guitars. Paul Miro Junk Pile Guitars has a very entertaining host on the channel, Ken. Ken is fond of classical-looking guitars with that badass weathered look and some cowboy attitude, adding character to his guitars. He always ends up with a beautiful masterpiece. Now, if you are into arched up guitars, this channel is the place to be. Link is in the description. Scar My Guitar. Scar My Guitar is another awesome channel that you would want to follow. Sean of Scar My Guitar travel hours to get to a fellow guitar enthusiast and scar his guitar. Well, I mean that in a good way. Sean fixes, restores, and rebuilds guitars on his channel. If you are the lucky one, you might just get your guitar scarred. Link is in the description. Andy Dion. Just like what it says on his channel, husband, father, guitar player, and producer. He is just like everyone else. He combined passion for guitars and the love for his family. He came up with this awesome masterpiece build where he had his kids' handprints on it. That is one brilliant idea, Andy. Not to mention, it's also a very sweet gesture as a father. That caught our attention, making Andy one of our favorite guitar guys on YouTube. Way to go, Andy. Fulton Street Beats. Michael from Fulton Street Beats is an amazing guy. He makes guitars, he reviews guitars, he plays drums, he reviews drums, he reviews awesome gears, and he performs guitar licks so good you want to grab your guitar and bend a string. Don't underestimate this channel. He has the potential to blow up on YouTube and possibly podcast too. He has an amazing studio set. You could definitely smell a podcast channel in the making. If not, then it's got to be one of the best man caves I have ever seen on YouTube. Wherever the road takes you, we're supporting you all the way, Michael. Well, folks, that's all for now. I might make a part 2, so please comment below some amazing channels that you recommend. Till next time, rock on.